At first, what you obviously see are some historic books, rare books. Some of these were published books that were donated, and some of them are photo albums that Mr. Deering kept when he would travel in Europe. This is a photo album from Abby Deering Howe, and she was James Deering's sister. So this dates from about the 1870s, and you can see the photos are quite old and faded. There's paper in between so that they don't touch against each other and transfer the image to each other. Then most of that wall right there is correspondence. We have about 3,000 photos. We have about 30,000 pieces of correspondence. Off-site, we have about 2,500 architectural drawings, and those will actually almost fill this room if we have them in here. Those all document the planning and the design and the building of the main house, the gardens, the village, all aspects of the construction of Vizcaya. This room, it was chosen, it's above floor level to guard against flooding. There's one window that we've blocked because we don't want light damage. When people talk about historic documents or objects, they talk about a low temperature and a low relative humidity, but light damage is also pretty significant, and I always like to highlight that because light damage is both irreversible and cumulative, so it's really bad. But everything's in a box, so it's fine. This has its own dedicated air conditioner, and it has a dehumidifier running constantly, so it's at 50% humidity, so that we don't have any problems. You can have stillness and darkness and moisture.